Eh? I fuck with that. Fuck with that, I wanna do it too. My people them what did they? Them do it too. So from Mitchie I get the light, if paparazzi the fire, go and do it here, mama. You understand me? Cause them turn on the whole of them turn on them phone for you. The whole of them turn on them phone for you. And what they do? Them big you up. I think I did a long time and no turn on them phone for and bigger up. But you can't do a party and boring, you know. Alone you can't dance, you have to rock like me. You understand? Alone you can't dance, you have to rock like me. I just say go. You have your party and you're there and you can't go down boring. If you don't drink, you have to take something for buzz up yourself, hype up yourself. And I was, oh! Right. Me let me say, me think I want a full bus, you know. Come. She
used to work with us.
Oh, hello. This is me thinking it's one of our buses, you know. I'm like going up to take over my bus. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
I'm good. Learning, isn't it?
Hey, what I'm going to say hello? I'm up on my live.
Hello. A pose, isn't it? She's on live. See? I'm giving JuJu a ride. Where's done? You're on that phone.
Man.
Oh, God, you're on that phone.
Now somebody I talk about Mitchie Boo last night. Go talk over the people in the party. So, I may talk more. Yeah, man.
Straight on, yes?
Cookie confidence you just reach home. And the party was when we look at the party, who did they want to enjoy themselves but enjoy themselves? But if
What you said to sir?
what? You start action as a terrible right now?
No, Dr. Martin.
Okay. 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 I have to make sure. I better say I better go now.
No, we don't go on anywhere. Just
because I'm coming back, you know, very soon.
when you come, look here. I want to take something from around your neck. You're working at Abelio? Look, this one. Oh yeah.
You know me always have time. I don't change it.
Every time you see him, watch out with the Abelio scenes. All the three scenes what they have.
Yeah, people say me promise me Mr. Belly same way. I say yeah.
No.
We're there with this across Stacy for my life. Forever blessing Nisha.
Because Nisha, you know what I'm going Nisha me know. I must see she actually see on this. Straight ahead, driver. It's 30 miles per hour, yeah?
Can you give me a stop at the next stop, please?
The next stop is coming up?
Yes,
Okay.
please. Thank you.
So we're going to start the next bus stop.
I also put me viral. You're going to let me through the back, yeah?
Yeah.
My practice. Thank you guys. You guys have a good day, yeah? Thank you so much, Stace.
Not a problem.
Come and start my life and I don't understand waste time and I have a bus to go take over.
It doesn't matter who. Me honest with you.
Thank you so much, hon.
Okay, take care, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't worry, use emergency. It's not trying to find out which book I'm doing.
Is it?
Sorry, you find it, yes.
All right then, cheers. Tyler. Yeah. Reba, what you mean me attack gossip? Me not attack gossip, me attack everybody attack and I want to say it pan sitting. Eh? But me can't, let me see. Let me see what I say or something. Me reconnect, yeah. Me I go take over my bus now. So me have to go down out of people's business. But anyhow, Mitchie can buy those things. I can say Mitchie is rich. Eh? Mitchie you're rich. Me can't say nothing more. You understand me? Me can't say a thing more than you have to just ease up when you got people party. Because they might talk about it. Or maybe because Jackie nice. But you know for it, even some other people who love dancing and party, you not go there and make like take you over so. So the party never buzz. Fear is fear too. If the party never buzz, I'll make you come in here and give it a buzz. I don't know. I say go. Well, I only turn up there and look on one another. So Mitchie make sound go do something look pan. Mitchie go do something look pan. You understand me? I just say go. But me Pan African me I know. Anyway. Mitchie should have never. Okay. How come for your party at topic too? You know, send us inbox with DM me that. Let me talk about it later too. Mitchie go nice up the party. Hey. Oh God, hey. The rap with the chance I let people here. I love what you see. River, any day them put me viral, let's see. You know them put me viral and say, I tell you a man say I love him and then your inbox a ball to you. I got them put me viral. Can I ramp if me not go ball to you no River. River don't ask if me not go ball to you no. What you see? Just let me get your number. I see. Me start talk you. You come talk. Okay, I will send the number.
What? You said you look like that.
Anyway, I'll take over my boss.